Close your eyes for a moment. Just close them. Where are you right now? And where would you like to be? We like to explore, to be far away from what we call our daily life. And this is what this film is about. You can open your eyes now. We like to get away for some time, to get lost in the nature, in the mountains, and the skies. We like to enjoy the calm peace, to once again feel the soft wind touching our faces. We like to take a challenge, to see how far our legs can carry us on the rocky path. We like to be free and breathe in all the beauty. And we like to find ourselves a new home, a place where we want to stay until our next adventure begins. Yes, we like to get away for some time, so keep your eyes open.